My name is Julio U.B. King, and I'm here at the Cyril E. King Airport Parking Garage and Transportation Center. This project is a 3-story parking garage.
The project consists in 170 square foot of new parking areas. It includes 3 levels: the ground level, the first suspended, that is the one that you will see in a minute, and a future 3rd level of suspended slabs.
The product from Ulma has been very, very successful. As you can see, we have a lot of the garage system up. It has worked beautifully in terms of the erection, easy to work with. At the beginning, we had someone from Ulma came and gave training to our guys, which was very helpful. And after they left, we continued. Any questions or concerns we had, there was communications back and forth.
We also have the Megaform using on the elevator area for the forming of the concrete walls. And the same thing is a very useful, simple to assembly to modify the dimension and geometry of the walls. With simple clamps, you could modify the dimensions and the geometry of the system. This project is the first big concrete structure that includes post-tension cables in the USVI, basically including St. Croix, St. John, and St. Thomas. The first level is a 20-foot elevation, and the second one will be 12 feet. So basically the system allows us to modify very easy the elevation of the form system. So we are very happy with the system, and we understand that we will continue using Ulma during the next project that we are performing in the island.